him.
Next! May I please have your CV and please be seated?
He shot you!
You have applied for a garden post and judging from your CV, I'm not impressed at all.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
You don't know why it's going on.
What?
What?
What were you saying?
What were I saying? Oh, I was saying something.
You know what? Let's just forget about what just happened. We are looking for a very experienced gardener for this post. Do you even know what is a photosynthesis?
Photo, you say photo. Photosynthesis. Oh, I think photosynthesis are those pictures that were taken a long. That's why you see synthesis. You see photosynthesis.
What do you mean by that?
Okay, you don't understand. For example, if you have a photo of your great grandmother and it is there in your house, that is a photo since the photo that has been taken since. That is why we say photo since.
You know what? Get out of my office.
What? 4 times?
I want to ask you a question. Are you going to pass through that gate when you knock off? The gate that is outside the building.
And why are you asking me that?
I will be waiting for you outside, me and my boys.
Him.